When I got in my truck, I noticed a few things. See these little here? These are, I saw bird droppings. I saw that one over there. And then I'm driving out. I guess I didn't think anything of it. I said, well, I had my windows down a little bit. I guess, you know, I don't know what happened. All right. But then I saw this.
I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.
That's right. There's a bird. There's a bird in my truck. It won't hold still long enough. I'm going down the highway, so I don't want to just let open the door. It's too much wind for it, but I'll get him out here in a second. Anyway, it's not squawking or anything. Okay, let's see if I can let him out right here. See if I can get him out. There he goes. Yay!